Good morning, students. In today's GK class, we will discuss about landforms. Okay, I will explain you about different types of landforms. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what is the meaning of landforms. Okay, basically, the physical feature of the land surface of a place determine its landform. Okay, the landform is a natural feature of Earth's surface. Basically, there are four main types of land surface: mountains, hills, plateaus, and plain surface. Okay, but whenever the tectonic plate movement under the earth, so it can create different landforms by pushing mountains and hills. Okay, and another reason may be the erosion by water and wind. Okay, it can wear down the land and create landforms like valleys and canyons. Okay, so in today's class we will know about different types of landforms on the earth's surface. Okay, so let's start the class. So here we have two columns, column A and column B. Okay, in column A some kinds of landforms are given. Okay, and in column B their description is there. Okay, so the first landform given in column A is plateau. See, what is the meaning of plateau? It's a large area of high and flat land, and the land is separated from the surrounded land by steep slopes. Means here at the bottom of this page you can see the picture of that plateau. Okay, so basically it's a large area of high and flat land surface. Okay, you all can see here. Okay, next we have delta. So what is the meaning of delta? Delta is a landform that is formed at the mouth of a river. Okay, whenever a river flows into an ocean or sea, so it forms a triangle shape, so it's called the delta. Okay, next, third is canyon. It's also a landform. Okay, and it has a deep valley with a steep sides, and it is formed by the flow of river in dry area. Okay, next we have rift valley. Rift valley, okay, rift valley, it's a long and narrow lowland area. Okay, and it has steep sides formed by the faults in the earth's crust. So this type of surface which is formed by the faults in earth's crust is called the rift valley. Okay, next we have glacier. You all may know about glaciers because it's a kind of a huge mass of ice and it flows over the land, so it is called glacier. Okay, next landform we have the salt marshes. Salt marshes means is a coastal wetland, and it is rich in marine life, so it is called the salt marshes land. Next is the valley. So the valley is it's a hollow or surface depression of the earth bounded by hills or mountains, so it's called a valley. So it's a very deep type of landform, it's like a hollow. Okay, and it is bounded by the hills or mountains. Next is isthmus. Isthmus is a special kind of landform. Is a narrow land piece Okay, is a narrow land piece of earth which join two large pieces of earth. Okay, and it has water on two sides, and it connects two large land masses. Okay, land masses or land pieces. Okay, next we have the reef. Okay, so the reef is a crest of rocks or sand. Okay, and it is just above or below the surface or of the sea or water. So it is found near the surface of sea water or just below the surface of sea water. It is called the reef. Okay, the last we have archipelago. So archipelago, at the bottom side of the page you can see the picture of that landform. Archipelago is given here. Okay, so as you all can see also, it's a group or chain of the islands, and so it's a chain of islands and clustered together in a sea or an ocean. You all can see it is surrounded by the sea. Okay, and there are island clusters, okay, which are surrounded by the sea or an ocean. Okay, so I explained you a little about all the landforms, so you can connect it. You can match column A with B. Okay, but don't use lines for matching. You can write correct answer number just in front of, like the plateau. So plateau is a large area of high and flat land. So you will write H just in front of plateau. Okay, similarly you will complete the remaining part. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye.